Here's how to remove your Instagram account from another device. Now open up the Instagram app here on your iPhone or Android and tap on your profile at the very bottom right. Now next we'll get into your settings, so tap on the three lines at the top right. And now from here tap on Accounts Center at the very top. After we've done that, all you need to do is tap on Password and Security towards the bottom. Now, if you suspect someone else might be logged in on an iPhone, Android, or computer, you can log them all out just by scrolling down and tapping on where you're logged in at the very bottom. From here, we're going to choose Instagram account here. And now it will show you logins on other devices, not this iPhone 16 Pro. So I'm going to hit Select Devices to log out. And now on here, I can hit one specific device if I wanted to log it out, or I can hit Select All at the top right if you have a bunch of them. Now, all you need to do is hit Log Out and Log Out. Now, it will log out all of those other devices. Keep in mind, you might want to go back out of here and either turn on two-factor authentication or tap Change Password for Instagram and update the password so they can't just log back in.